In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Razer app for your mouse and keyboard. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you have a Razer mouse or a keyboard, installing the Razer app lets you customize things like the lighting, the DPI, the macros, and so much more. But to get started, go ahead and open up any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but it doesn't really matter what you use. And just search for Razer app, just like so, and hit enter. Now, you're going to see a few different options on here. Essentially, what you're looking for is just this Razer.com section right here, which is going to be the Razer software option. Open this up, and from here you're going to see the Razer software option with the Razer Synapse right here. Click learn more on this and then scroll down and you're going to see an option to download it for Windows, Mac, and then of course a beta tester as well. Just hit this download for Windows option right here and it's going to download the installer. Go ahead and open up the installer just by clicking on it and hitting yes. And then from here it's going to start downloading the Razer app. Go ahead and hit continue. And then from here, you're going to see the option to download it just like so. You'll also have the option to download Razer Cortex, and you can install that if you want, but you could just skip it. Essentially, just go ahead and hit install just like so. And once it does finish, go ahead and hit launch, and you could sign in to either your Razer account or you can continue as a guest. From here, just connect your mouse and keyboard and it's going to show up inside the app and you can start customizing your settings. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.